that's happened, like if they were...
You first water them.
Yeah, you water
First you plant them, you dig a hole and then seeds in,
and then you
put
water
the dirt over it,
and you
dirt
water
over
it.
it and water it.
And then they just start growing. You keep on watering them every day for give them lots of water. And
I can't even tell they're in there because my fingers are so dirty.
How do you spell seed? C-E-D. No.
It turns all crumbly and it's not green anymore. It starts turning brown. And then
It's not always.
yeah, I know. Sometimes.
Well, I'll wait a little while. Why don't you just put the water in? We're trying to experiment. We've got to get off. We're trying to experiment. We're ready for watering. Morgan, is that ready for watering?
Nope.
All right. Okay, give me the water. I'll water it. All over. Because I put the water in. I'll be the waterer and you be the planter.
Growing, growing, trees and flowers, buds and berries, growing, growing, in the fields and in the forest. I want to know what makes them grow. I want to know what makes them grow.
You know why? Because I'm wondering where we're going to put it. Because this thing's good, gigantic.
Sometimes plants are tricky. They grow tall. Because this is going to be a beanstalk. So it's growing taller and then all of a sudden it took a big jump up to here because it got taller over the same Thanksgiving week.
Pour on the water, pour it on, pour it on, pour it on. Bring on the sunshine, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Bring on the sunshine, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on.
What do you need to do then if they have been in the
We
closet
need
for
to
5
put
days?
them in the sunshine. How do you spell seed? C-E-E-D. No. How does it know this little seed if it is to grow? To a flower or a weed? If it is to be a vine or a shoot, or grow to a tree with a long, deep root. A seed is so small. Where do you suppose it stores up all of the things it knows?
There's a lot sprouting.
No, especially this. Wow, that's really sprouting.
See, there's one here, and this sprouted a lot. Wow.
Hey, there's the beanstalk.
Only the radishes.
Where's
Jack
Jack?
and the beanstalk.
Where's Jack? Hey, are you trying to do?
What a corny joke.
I got the bean and the corny.
Growing, growing, trees and flowers, buds and berries, growing, growing, in the fields and in the forest. I want to know what makes them grow. I want to know what makes them grow. Dig out the ground.
Well, you see, that's what he was doing. Because he measured how long these plants were, and then he put them down for the paper. Hey, genius. We're genius.
Growing, growing, in the
That's an idea. Why don't we put all these roots together, and then we'll compare them after a while. Want me to show you the water room? Where's the water room?
to make them grow.
Oh, that's a funny face. Look at that. That's made out of an eggshell.
Alice was so amazed that she couldn't speak for a minute. Finally she spoke again in a timid voice, almost in a whisper. And can all the flowers talk? As well as you can, said the tiger lily, and a great deal louder.
Green is like
like a meadow of grass, banana peels that are not ripe, and broccoli.
And these guys gave some seeds. An old man gave him some seeds in exchange for the cow. And when he got home, and he said it was magic seeds. When he got home, his mom threw him out the window and says they're no good. He had to go to bed.
How cool!
Yeah, he couldn't have any.
With nothing but a big stain right there. Nothing but a big stain. Yeah, so
Plant in there. The sun will shine, the rain will fall, then my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall.
What a lot of tiny little legs he has. And I can see his eyes. Small and black and shiny. I think I know how it feels to be so tiny.
yeah, I think it's pretty good too.
Yeah. Hey, look at those guys over there.
Hey, you guys, what are you doing? We're making a movie. Want to be in it?
Wasn't that funny? Seed. S-E-E-D.
That's right. Now, how do you spell autumn?
Falling, falling, red and yellow, brown and orange, falling, falling, from the trees and from the bushes. I want to know, where do they go? Falling, falling, red and yellow, brown and orange, falling, falling, from the trees and from the bushes. I want to know, where do they go? I guess I'll wait for spring.